From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Hey, good evening, folks. A little bit below average today. Nice sweater weather, I'll tell you that much. Lower 60s, expected mid 60s around the area, not too far below average, but still enough to make a difference there. I think we'll be warming up a little bit, relatively speaking, here over the next several days. Tell you what, though, we have not had a lot of rainfall. That's kind of been the main story over the last few weeks, right? We're in this drought. We've had fire danger. I don't think that's huge of an issue now because we're getting a little more saturated, but it's been quite a few weeks here across the Tennessee Valley. I'll tell you that much. New moon tonight. I would say it's good for stargazing. You know, you don't want that moon blotting out the stars, but it's going to be cloudy, so let's just go ahead and break that down, see what we have in store for tonight. And yeah, we really pick up those clouds through this afternoon and evening, really through the rest of this evening, rather. We picked them up earlier this afternoon, is what I mean to say there. And then, you know, a little bit of moisture through tonight, not a huge deal. Don't think that's going to give us any widespread rain or anything like that. If anything, I call that good sleeping weather, right? We pick up this cloud cover and moisture through the morning. You saw a few showers off to my back here. You know, it's just not a big deal, to be honest with you. I don't think there's going to be huge rain chances for tomorrow. I think those clouds actually kind of move out of here as we head deeper into Sunday with those mid 60s for highs. And then to Monday, we dry out. I do think Monday is going to be drier. We kind of get this little temporary frontal passage that moves through, keeps us dry there, kind of battling this system here. But keep an eye on that system there. Watch this. It actually lifts north into the central portions of Mississippi, into central portions of Alabama, right? And we're actually on the northern side of it. I kind of call that the northern periphery of it. And we get some rain from that Tuesday and into Wednesday, probably lingering into Wednesday night, to be honest with you. So we're keeping an eye on that for our next rain chances as we head into the midweek. Temperatures staying pretty consistent in the mid 60s throughout the week, maybe warming up by the end of the week. I know some of our models, which go out a few weeks, actually indicate above average temperatures coming back. So we'll keep an eye on that time frame to see if we actually do warm up back into the 70s in the extended term. Forecast lows tonight, not seeing any indications of frost or freezing or anything like that. I think upper 30s could be possible, especially as we head closer to Nashville, but most of us, I do think, will be in the lower 40s for tonight, especially in northwestern Alabama. Notice 42 there in the Shoals, 43 in Moulton, hopping down to Morgan County, 44 there. Here in southern middle Tennessee, 41 in Lawrenceburg, 41 in Waynesboro. Then you start seeing those scattered, 38s and 39s up in Murray County and points north up there. All right, for highs tomorrow, I think reasonable bet, mid 60s across the area. It depends, especially in the cloud cover, right? Because much like earlier today, North Alabama looks to stay kind of suppressed with that cloud cover across the area. So we'll keep a close eye on that, see how that affects the temperatures. There are those mid 60s sticking around, and there are these rain chances, especially Tuesday and into Wednesday. That's what we're keeping an eye on there for the more robust rain chances across the area, right? And it looks like towards the end of the week and into next weekend, we might be warming up just a little bit. It's a little far out to say for certain, but I have seen a lot of support suggesting we will be a little bit above average as we head into the third week of November. So keeping a close eye on that. Otherwise, I'll tell you what, I just hope we get more rain because this drought is getting a little obnoxious at this point, right? So we'll keep a close eye on that, see what the forecast does. I'll be back with you tomorrow morning for an updated look at your forecast for the week ahead.